Dogecoin price fluctuations and factors affecting its value. According to the Dogecoin protocol, there is no limit to the total supply of Dogecoin that can be created. However, the rate of new coin creation is fixed and predictable, with approximately 10,000 new Dogecoins added to the circulating supply every minute. The price of Dogecoin, like any other cryptocurrency, is determined by the forces of supply and demand in the market. As more people buy Dogecoin, its price tends to rise, and as more people sell, its price tends to fall. One way that the price of Dogecoin can rise is through increased demand. If more people want to buy Dogecoin and there are sellers willing to sell, then the price will go up as buyers compete with each other to purchase the limited supply of coins available. Another way that the price of Dogecoin can rise is through adoption and use. If more merchants and businesses begin to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, then its demand and usability will increase, which can lead to higher prices. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin, can be highly volatile and their prices can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. Factors such as news events, changes in government regulations, and investor sentiment can all impact the price of Dogecoin. Therefore, investing in Dogecoin or any cryptocurrency comes with significant risks, and it's important to do your own research and fully understand the risks before investing. The visuals in this video were brought to you by Kaiber.ai, an innovative video creation platform. You can find my referral code in the description below, which gives you access to a free account and complimentary credits to try out the Kaiber platform. By signing up or purchasing a monthly or annual subscription, you'll be supporting me as well, since I earn Kaiber credits for referrals. So, if you want to create awesome videos like this one, click the link in the description and join Kaiber today.